Welcome to Bybit's customer support system, a 24/7 lifeline designed to keep your crypto trading smooth and worry-free. Bybit's crown jewel is their 24/7 live chat feature powered by Zendesk. It's like having a personal crypto concierge. Prefer email? Bybit's dedicated team handles both general questions and technical issues promptly and efficiently. Stay connected through Bybit's active presence on Telegram and Twitter, offering real-time updates and support. Navigate through Bybit's comprehensive help center, a treasure trove of information for quick solutions to common issues. Bybit values your input. Their feedback and rewards program encourages users to shape the platform's future. User experiences speak volumes. Bybit's support satisfaction rates are impressively high, reflecting their commitment to excellence. Bybit's response times across all channels are lightning fast. Help is just moments away, whenever you need it.
Experience the professionalism and efficiency of Bybit's support staff. It's like experts on speed dial.
Bybit constantly evolves, implementing user feedback to enhance their platform. Watch this crypto ecosystem grow in real time. In the competitive world of crypto exchanges, Bybit's customer support stands out with a stellar industry rating. Bybit's support isn't just a feature, it's a 24/7 commitment to your smooth crypto journey, whether you're a novice or expert. Ready to experience world-class support? Create your Bybit account now and elevate your crypto trading journey.